Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix bad microphone quality on a Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. I'll be showing you in Windows 11, but the methods will work the same in Windows 10. This video will be for those of you that believe a problem is causing the bad mic quality. For some general methods to improve microphone quality, you might find another video of mine more helpful. Click the card on screen now to watch that, but let's get into this one. The best place to start would be to check the connections of your device. If your microphone is wired, check that these cables and connections aren't broken, and try as many ports as you can on your PC or laptop. If your mic is wireless, ensure that you are within range and that your Bluetooth adapter is either connected to the correct port or that it is designed to be able to transmit higher quality audio. We'll now move on to some of the potential fixes within Windows. We'll first see if your mic is enabled correctly. Search for Control Panel, and when this opens, click on Hardware and Sound, and then where it says Sound in green. This should open a new window, and first you need to go to the Recording tab and then look for your microphone. Make sure it is set as the default sound device by selecting it and then by clicking on Set Default. Next, it's a good idea to disable any other active microphones, as this can cause problems with your mic quality, especially if apps use the wrong mic. You can disable every device except your main microphone by right-clicking on each option and then by choosing Disable. Now double-click on your microphone. First, go to the Levels tab and try lowering the microphone level slider, and if you see it, try lowering the boost slider as well. You don't need to lower it all the way, just a small amount, as having it too high could increase background noise and distort the sound. Make sure you click on Apply after changing any settings in here to test it out. Next, go to the Advanced tab and there should be a quality drop-down box. Test out each of the available options in here by selecting them and then by clicking on Apply. See if any of these help. It's most likely that either 2-channel 44.1 or 48 kHz will be the best option. If you have the Enhancements tab, open this and then disable all enhancements in here by unchecking the box next to each of them and then click on Apply at the bottom. You could alternatively see if any of the available enhancements improve your microphone quality. Next, we'll focus on the physical elements of your microphone and the sound it picks up. If you can, try improving the environment around your mic. You can reduce background noise, move away from flat surfaces that cause echo, and if you use speakers, try using headphones instead to stop sound leaking into the mic. We'll now move on to another method. We're going to try updating drivers, re-enabling, and reinstalling the microphone. Search for Device Manager in the search bar, and when this opens, look in the Audio Inputs and Outputs section for your microphone. Once you've found it, double-click on it and go to the Driver tab. First, select Disable in here, and then wait a few moments and select Enable. Try your device again now. Next, click on Update Driver and then the Automatic option. If there are already the correct drivers installed, you can close this box. The third thing to try in here is to choose Uninstall Device and then Uninstall. Now go to where it says Action at the top and select Scan for Hardware Changes. Try your mic once again now, and if your PC doesn't detect it, unplug your microphone and reconnect it. If the problem just suddenly appeared, it's worth restarting your PC or laptop if you haven't done this already. A restart could help refresh a lot of the settings on your PC, and it could help fix the problem. It's up to you if you want to try this now or at the end of the video, but if you do restart now, when you return to the video, we'll have a few more solutions to try where hopefully at least one of them will work. Next, think back to when the issue started appearing. There is a chance that a software change or hardware change caused the problem. This could be some new audio software or a new component. If you are certain that one of these changes caused the problem, then you could revert them or research how this will have affected your device and what you can do to work around it. If the problem only occurs within one app, check in the settings for any microphone options and make sure that the app is using your main microphone. Finally, it's worth trying your microphone on another computer or a phone to see if the problem is with the device itself. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.